Welcome to the Station Bakery. Today I'm going to show you how to make these cute pumpkin hot chocolate bombs. I start by melting down white chocolate and I am adding orange and red candy coloring and a bit of yellow to get this nice deep pumpkin orange color. I add my colored chocolate into my hot chocolate bomb mold and I am using the back of my spoon to spread the chocolate around. I then shake it to fill in any spaces I might have missed and then I dump out the excess chocolate. This is very important in making this kind of hot chocolate bomb. The bottom center of the shells need to be thin, but not too thin that it melts when you touch it, but thin enough that we're going to be able to poke a hole in it. I let the chocolate chill, then I go in with my second coat. This time mainly focusing on making sure the edges are thick enough so they don't break when we adhere our halves together. Now I'm releasing one of the shells from the mold by pulling the sides away and then pressing up. I'm using this cute Halloween cupcake liner to put my Halloween themed hot chocolate bomb in. I use my hot pan method to melt down the edges and then I fill it up with white chocolate hot cocoa mix and some marshmallows. Feel free to use any of my hot chocolate recipes. You can find the link in the description below and on my blog, The Station Bakery. There are so many different flavor combinations, it's amazing. Now back over to the second half of the hot chocolate bomb mold. I am using this number 3 piping tip that I have heated up and I'm going to use the small circle part to poke a hole into the top of this hot chocolate bomb. This is why having a thinner coat of chocolate is important. Depending on how thick your chocolate is, you might be able to remove it directly from the mold, but if not, just go over the top again to create that hole. Now we have our hole for our straw to fit in. I melt down the top half and I attach it and we have a regular hot chocolate bomb with a hole in the top. I use a bag of melted chocolate and I push the stick down inside the hot chocolate bomb. I use the chocolate to adhere around the outside of the stick. A big thing to know about this is that if you thin your chocolate with melting wafers or any kind of oil, then this might not work for you. I tried this multiple ways and I found that the thinned out chocolate would hold for like a second but then break. I assume that the oils is what causes it to not be able to grip onto the straw. So when you are gluing your stick onto your hot chocolate bomb, use an unthinned chocolate. This is a very simple decoration. I am using black poppy paint. I am drawing 2 triangles for the eyes, then making the smile with teeth. This is a simple and versatile decoration, so you can make this face scary, cute, or funny, all of its teeth or missing teeth, whatever makes you happy. Now let's package this hot chocolate bomb. I am using these candy apple boxes with my hot chocolate bomb instruction tags. I have linked these and the paper box version in the description and on my blog, The Station Bakery, along with many other recipes, instruction tags, tutorials, and ideas. Check it out and watch these videos next. Peace.